Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change refresh rate 120Hz or 60Hz on Samsung Galaxy A05. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now let's dive in. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings application. This is where you can find various customization options for your device, including display settings, privacy, security, and more. Step 2. Now, locate the search icon in the top right corner and tap on it. The search feature makes it much easier to find specific options without having to scroll through multiple menus manually. Step 3. In the search bar, type motion smoothness. You might see a few unrelated suggestions, like Wi-Fi or Bluetooth settings. Just ignore those. Look specifically for an option that mentions motion smoothness. On some devices, you might also see display or biometrics and security pop up depending on your model. Step 4. From the search results, tap on motion smoothness, then tap again. This will take you to the refresh rate options menu where you can make the change. Step 5. For the last and most important step, now choose between the two options. Adaptive automatically adjusts up to 120Hz for smoother scrolling and animations. Standard sets the refresh rate to 60Hz, helping to conserve battery life. Once you select your desired option, tap Apply to confirm. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.